Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is another hair giveaway video. I'm going to be telling you guys all about the giveaway. I'm going to be telling you guys all about the hair, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly how you can enter to win the giveaway. We are actually going to have 3 lucky winners win 3 separate wigs. So if you guys would like to enter and win, then continue to watch. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty. I do a little bit of vlogging. I talk about natural hair. I talk about feminine hygiene, and I just do a little bit of everything. So if you would like to join my family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video from me again. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you guys about the hair that I'm wearing, and then I'm going to tell you guys about the giveaway. So I have partnered with Sunber Hair to bring you guys a nice little giveaway, and as I said, there's going to be 3 lucky winners. I'm going to detail all the rules and all the requirements in the description so you guys can read it and follow step by step. I'm also going to tell you guys a little bit about it here. The hair I'm wearing today is by Sunber Hair. This hair was actually made into a wig, so it is 2 24 inches, 122 inches, and a 20-inch closure, and the closure is 13 by 4. Am I saying that right? Yes, it's 13 by 4, so it's pretty wide, and I wanted a side part, so I went ahead and put it to the side like this. But you can do a middle part. You can do your part on this side. You can do it on the same side as me. You can do baby hair. I mean, the hair is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm just feeling myself in it today. But anyways, I hit 600K, and I'm super excited. Thank you guys for that, by the way. Thank you. I'm super excited. So I just been working with these companies to bring you guys some giveaways. And again, I always say this, but please bear with me. I have a lot more giveaways coming out. So let's get into the hair. So this hair, as I said, is by Sunber Hair. Okay, so this is the empty box because I've already made the hair into a wig, but I'm going to show you guys either a screenshot or maybe I'll do a split screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, family, sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to show you guys all the details about the hair. So like I said, I'm going to be using a 24-inch, 22-inch, and 20-inch. This is what the actual hair looks like. This is a body wave. As you can see, the hair is shiny, it's beautiful. And then this is the closure. As I said, the closure has already been pre-plugged, so you don't have to do much with it. So I'm just going to be using my needle and my thread to make the wig. This is the process I use to make my wigs. I just use a regular foam head and a breathable weaving cap to make all of my wigs. So this is the progress. I'm done with 2 bundles. I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest. And this is what the final wig looks like. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to style it and put it on my head. But this again is 24 inches, 122-inch, and a 20-inch closure. And the closure is already pre-plugged, so you don't have to worry about that. And it matches your scalp pretty well, as you can see here. So I actually didn't need to bleach this. All I did was use my needle and thread, sew up my hair, install it, and here we have it. The reason I wanted to do bundles is because you guys know that I've been doing a lot of wig reviews for you guys, but a lot of you guys don't like wigs. A lot of you guys want to sew your hair onto your head. So I just wanted to bring that option to you guys as well. So whenever these hair companies contact me, I like to do something that I feel like you guys would like to see because I don't want to keep doing the same thing over and over. So this time I went with bundles for those of you guys who would rather have the bundles and maybe make a ponytail or make a wig. You know, make your wig yourself or maybe sew it onto your hair. And a lot of you guys also like to do some leave outs, so you can buy the bundles without the closure, or if you wanted to have the closure, whatever you wanted to do. I just wanted to show you guys the option. So with that being said, today's giveaway, as I said, is by Sunber Hair. They are 100% human hair. The hair can be colored, bleached, dyed, curled, flat ironed, straightened. You can do anything with your hair. It is up to you. And I just wanted to share a little bit of them with you guys. Now, these bundles are super affordable, so you're not going to break the bank by buying them. So, like I said, there are going to be 3 winners, and each winner is going to win a wig. Let's talk about the rules of the giveaway. First thing you have to do is subscribe to Sunber Version Hair on YouTube. Second thing you have to do is follow at Sunber Hair on Instagram, and also follow me on Instagram. third thing you have to do is follow Sunber Hair on AliExpress. The next thing you have to do is go to the Sunber Hair website and spin the lucky wheel. This giveaway is only for my subscribers, so you have to be subscribed to my channel. They will choose 3 lucky winners and the wigs would be shipped out directly to them. This giveaway is actually international, so all of you guys can enter, but they only have free shipping in the US. So if you do like the hair, go ahead and enter the giveaway, and I wish each and every one of you guys good luck. If you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video again. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.